Here's a quick overview of a rig I put together in 2008 for gaming and also as my primary workstation. It's a black aluminium mid-sized tower manufactured by Hyper. That's the Osiris model. These shots are from 2008, it's now 2012. I'm really surprised at just how good the workmanship was back then and how well it's lasted. It's hardly got a scratch on it, and the craftsmanship in it is just the best I've seen from a case. This was my first aluminium case, and I was concerned when I bought it if I would be cutting my fingers to pieces on the edges of the aluminium, but fortunately the build quality and the way that they've made this case just means it's not an issue. It's just every edge is perfect. One of my favourite things is the brushed aluminium clips you can see. They're on both sides of the case to get in and out. They're really cool, save a lot of time. Here we've got the back plate, back ports. It's the CPU and RAM installed during the build in 2008. Different shot of the same. And we have the spec listed, and it looks like graphics cards in there as well at that stage. Also visible here are two 120mm case fans that came with the case as standard, which I think is very nice. The fact that you don't have to go out and look for specific additional case fans out of the box, which is nice. They're one on the exit and one on the roof there. And there's also a 120mm fan on the hard drive rack, sort of caddy, which you'll see in a minute. Here's another very cool feature that came with the case. Here you can assemble the connectors for the case onto this little white block, and then it's much easier to fit to the motherboard than individually. I remember that saved me quite a lot of time during the build, and I was really surprised. It was the first time I'd seen it back then in 2008, so I'm not sure if it's a standard thing now. Here we have the hard drive caddy, if you like, that comes with the case. Here's two hard drives in there, space for two more. Shows the fan out the back. I think it's a really nice design feature to have that kind of as part of the case. It keeps things nice and tidy and nice and cool down there. And here's the caddy fitted, loosely fitted, just during the build to show how it fits in. Well, that's it for this little overview. It's good to recollect some of the stuff that I did in 2008. Last credits for the sound and the music track is an artist called Exist Strategy. I found him on Reddit in the dubstep section. And I've listed his Facebook and SoundCloud here. He's got an album coming in February, and I highly recommend you check him out. He's got some great stuff, sort of ambient dubstep. It's very cool.